A graduated cylinder is used to measure the volume of fluid. It can also be used to find the volume of irregular objects.
Using a graduated cylinder, you need to be careful to recognize the increments, these little dashes on the side of it. For example, we're using one that goes up by 1 for each mark, but it can go to 2 or 5 for each mark, or even other ones.
Okay, so volume is the amount of space occupied by any three-dimensional object. The correct formula for volume of a solid is length times width times height.
Volume, the units used are milliliters and liters. This graduated cylinder goes up by milliliters. And for solids, the units used are cubic centimeters. When you're calculating the volume of a liquid, you need to use the graduated cylinder, and the measurements are on the side of the cylinder, right here. An irregular shaped solid, like this rock here, is an object that can't have its volume solved by using the solid formula length times width times height. So we need to use the water displacement method. This method helps us to measure the object's volume by using the water's movement with the object in it, or how much it rises.
That you take your reading from eye level. If you're looking from above or below the cylinder, you'll get an inaccurate measurement. You also need to make sure that your cylinder is on a flat surface.
To accurately measure fluid volume, you need to read it from the bottom of the meniscus. When water is in a graduated cylinder, it appears to stick to the sides and slope downward slightly, so you need to read it from the bottom to get the right measurement. If you read it from the top, you will get an inaccurate measurement, like if you're looking above.
62 milliliters. 64 milliliters. After you get your new water level, you need to subtract the old water level from the new one to get the volume of your object. You need to convert it from milliliters to cubic centimeters.
Milliliters. So the volume of the object is 1 cubic centimeter.